Hey, it's Miss Kellie Michele. Welcome back to my channel. All right, so today's video is about using direct booking platforms or having your own direct booking website. And we want to go into some software or management tools that we can use to manage our short-term and midterm rentals. All right. So I am going to start off by explaining what is direct booking, right? All right, so direct bookings are platforms or websites that allow hosts to list their properties and manage their bookings directly without the need of any type of middleman like Airbnb or VRBO or any of those websites, right? So, what that means is that you can eliminate all of the service fees that you're being charged by a third party, and you can keep that money to yourself or even maybe offer further discounts to your guests, which would be more attractive in as far as keeping your properties booked. And you have more control over your bookings and your guest interactions. Okay. So, I'm going to give you two options. Now, there are more, but just I'm going to give you two for this video as far as how you can set up your own direct booking sites. Now, one popular direct booking platform is for short-term rentals or midterm rentals, and that is Your.Rentals. Okay, Your.Rentals. Check that out. So, what this is, it's a global platform that allows hosts to list their properties and manage their bookings directly. There's no commission or any kind of service fees when you are dealing with this website. Hosts can customize their websites or their listings with their photos as normal and your descriptions, and you have your own pricing. And you also have access to a range of tools for your bookings, such as managing your calendars, messaging systems, and payment processing. So, if you want an easy way to build your own direct booking website, check out that platform, Your.Rentals. Now, the other way you can do this is go to Wix.com. Wix has templates that you can use and you can customize those templates and make them your own and have your own direct booking that way as well. Now, Wix will allow you to create your own website for your short term or midterm rental. And you can customize the branding of the website and all of the features. Also, collect your online bookings, and it does have an option for you to process your payments. So, Wix.com, I'm sure you've heard of it. You can build out your website through Wix as well. Now, let's go ahead and switch over and let's talk about some platforms or software that we can use to manage our short term and midterm rentals. All right, so there are different types of midterm rental management software. And again, this can go for short-term rentals as well. But if you have properties and you are dealing with multiple properties, I would say at least more than five or five or more, I should say, then you probably want to start getting into some management tools because it can get a little bit daunting and confusing to keep track of everything. So these are going to be some software solutions that are basically designed to help host and to automate the workflows and streamline your operations so that you can improve your guest experience. So the first one I'm going to talk about is a property management system. So this is to help hosts with their properties and bookings from listing pricing to reservations and guest management. So one property management system would be Hostfully or Guesty. Okay. So go check those websites out, see if those would be a good fit for you. Remember, it's Hostfully and Guesty. All right. So those would be property management softwares. Next, we have channel managers. So channel managers are software solutions that help hosts with their listings as far as distributing it amongst a lot of different platforms at one time. So you don't have to go and set up listings on all of these different websites or platforms. You can use a management or a channel manager, set up a listing one time, and it will distribute it out to multiple channels, such as like Airbnb, VRBO, Booking.com, or whatever else, right? So they help automate and synchronize your calendars, your rates, and your reservations. Now, two of these channel management sites that you can take a look at would be Rentals United and My Allocator. Okay, so Rentals United and My Allocator, check those out, see if they're for you. There are more out there, so you can just do a simple Google search for channel managers for midterm rentals or channel managers for short-term rentals, because either way it's going to benefit you. Okay, they're basically the same thing. All right, we also have revenue management systems. So these are software solutions to help hosts with optimize their pricing strategy based on the demand, seasonality, and other factors. So they basically use advanced algorithms and machines to help learn what the right pricing is for your property. So two examples would be Beyond Pricing. So check them out, and Price Labs. Now, the one I usually use for my short-term rentals especially was Price Labs. So the next type of software that you may want to use is a guest experience management system. So this helps hosts provide personalized communication, online check-ins, and other services to their guests. Some examples of guest experience management systems for midterm rentals could include Operato and August Homes. I might not be saying that correctly, but these are two that I found. So check them out. So Operato and August Homes. The last piece of software that I'm going to mention to you guys is a cleaning and maintenance management system. So basically what this does is it helps organize your cleaning and maintenance operations for your properties by tracking them and making sure you have a record of what has been done to the property. So some examples would be Properly and Breezeway. So go out there, look up their websites and see what they have to offer and see if this will be a good fit for you. Now, you do not have to use all of these different types of management softwares. Some of them may do everything that you need at this point, okay? So you might just need one and it gives you exactly what you need and you're done. You might want to use more than one. It's up to you. This is your business, so you can design it however you want to. And also remember, I mentioned some websites and some companies that will help you as far as your management systems, but these are not the only ones out there. Definitely do your due diligence and go check out other companies or other websites that can help you in your midterm rental or your short-term rental business. I hope that helps you guys, right? Because I know we are all trying to build our midterm rental businesses, and many of you have already have a midterm rental business or short-term rental business, and you want to improve on your business, right? So these are some tools that will help you do that. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this was some valuable information for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Talk to you later. Bye.